This is exactly why you always need to check your blind spots when you're underwater. This guy is just minding his own business, serving looks for his underwater vlog. What he didn't realize? A wild seal was playing a hardcore game of stealth right behind him. The seal lines him up, completely ignores all rules of personal space, and just uses the dude's skull as a temporary parking spot. The diver's face goes through all 5 stages of panic in about 3 seconds flat, but once he realizes he isn't going to be a snack, he drops the most relieved hang loose sign ever recorded. That seal definitely deserves an award for the greatest photobomb of the year.